Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your alarm sound in Windows 11. So, how to customize the alarm sound? First of all, you'll need to go and open the Alarms and Clock app. You can go and click on the Windows key, as an example, and just look for Alarms or the Clock app, and basically just go and open it. So once it's opened, if it needs any updates, just go and wait for it until it's done. For me, I don't use, as an example, the application, so that's why it needs updates. For you, if you use it too much, you may already find the updates done. So once the updates are done, you should find yourself here. Of course, for us, we want to change the alarm sound. So you can go on this left panel and we'll find alarms option. Go and click on that. As you can see, if you do have any alarm, you can just go and enable it, or you can also add your new alarm. So you can edit or an existing alarm or add new. It's totally up to you. For me, I'm just going to enable this one. And as you can see, you need to change your notification settings to ensure that your alarm occurs and expects it. So you can just go and click on change that. As you can see, they mean to switch apps. Yes, because clock is just trying to open like that. For me, I'm just going to enable notifications because that is very needed to alarm or to enable that. So as you can see, I do have this. And if I go and click on it, I'll find here an example, the sound that it will be played when the alarm will go off. For example, it's going to be go off, or it will go off in 20 or 30 minutes or 33 minutes as it says here. So you can just go and click on this option. And here you'll be able to play another sound instead, of course, of the ones that they give you. But as you can see, you will not be able to add your custom one. And you want, an example, to add your custom one instead of the ones that they show you here. What you'll need to do or to know is basically Windows does not let you add your new sounds through the app directly, but you can work around it. As an example, and just go and cancel that. You can go, as an example, to Windows or to your C drive and go to Windows, then Media. So, an example, I'm just going to open this. I'm going to my C drive and here. And of course, I'm going to the Windows folder. And here, I'm just going to look for the media one. As you can see, this is the media. So here, you can go and place your own .wav file in that folder, because all the alarms that we've seen before are here. So if you scroll down normally, as you can see, you should find all the alarms. So the alarms that we choose from here. So you can just go and add your own custom one in here, and you'll be able then to find it here. Of course, you'll have to close the app and open it again, and you'll be able then to choose it always from here as your new alarm. And of course, you can always go and get your custom alarm from wherever you want. You can even transfer it from your phone to your PC. It's totally up to you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.